Step into this meticulously maintained ranch-style home located within the acclaimed Portage School District. Revel in the luminous embrace of its expansive open floorplan, where the living and dining areas boast laminate flooring and offer serene vistas of the backyard. The kitchen exudes warmth with its pristine white cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and inviting eat-up bar. The primary bedroom impresses with its generous proportions and dual closets, while the ensuite bath ensures personal tranquility. Additional bedrooms offer ample space and storage. A convenient main floor laundry and family bath round out this level. Descend to the lower level to discover added living space, including a fourth bedroom, minus egress, and a spacious family room complete with a wet bar. A versatile flex space awaits your vision, whether as an office, gym, or play area. A third full bath and ample storage complete the lower level. Outside, relish in the mature landscaping from the expansive deck. Conveniently located near city walking.